I'm seeing visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hello Taurus, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for April 22nd to April the 30th. Gusto ko lang po sabihin sa inyo na paumanhin po dahil na-late tayo ng ilang araw. Pumunta po ako sa, alam niyo naman yung mga practitioners, no? Kapag mahal na araw, may mga rituals sila. So I went to province to enhance, no, itong ating gift. Again, this is for April the 22nd to the 30th. I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lang. Take what's only yours. Sana po sumali kayo sa ating live sessions. Doon po yan sa ating kabilang channel. That is Babaylan TV. No? Magsimula na tayo. So, Taurus, medyo maganda naman. No? Actually, maganda itong card na ito. Ang nangyayari lang kasi is hindi kayo parehas na way of expressions. No? Yung isa giving, yung isa direkta, yung isa medyo, sabihin natin nasa parang riddle. No? Riddle dahil siguro puro biro, no? Puro post na wala namang na hindi ka nakatag, pero alam mo na ikaw yon. There are probably descriptions sa mga post, sa mga, kumbaga, yung sa'yo direkta, oo, gusto kita. Yung sa kanya, ang daming paikot-ikot. Although, nandun naman na yung nararamdaman mo that your person cares for you. Hindi na lingid sa kaalaman din ng iba na merong emotional attachment, may emotional banter na nangyayari between you and your person. So, chances are, yung iba sa inyo, baka dito pa lang nagbi-build up yung mutual understanding, no? Nagkakagustuhan. Yung iba naman, sort of, they are built up that way, no? Pwedeng sila nang magjowa na sila, pero still, ganun pa rin ang kumbaga ang estilo, no? Hindi direct, yung isa medyo tahimik, yung isa naman medyo mabunganga or sabihin natin brutal magsalita. With the Hermit, the Ten of Swords, and the Four of Wands. Dahil ba sa maturity, I think that there is an age gap in here. It could be a May-December love affair. Hindi rin naman. Pwedeng yung iba sa inyo, konti lang yung gap. If we're not talking about age gap, this might be yung maturity nga. Someone is very mature. Someone is a little playful, no? It doesn't come with the age. Again, may mga bata na mature mag-isip. Meron din matatanda na parang walang pinagkatandaan. Hindi, joke lang. Na parang groovy pa din, no? Parang sa kanila, kalabaw lang at tumatanda. With the Star, the Knight of Swords. So, ang nakikita natin dito, yung isa, mabilis, parang palos. Yung isa talaga direkta. Kasi Knight of Swords, mabilis ito eh. I think that someone here felt love at first sight. So yung isa, probably, no, kung nandito ka sa mutual understanding na ito, na situation, I feel like yung isa direktang sinasabi, gusto na kita, crush na kita, meron na akong nararamdaman sa'yo. Yung isa naman, so far, parang kunin na rin natin to, Knight of Swords. Kaya parang may pagpupumilit, may force. Pangit kasi pakinggan kung pinipilit yung sarili. Pero, you know what I mean? Parang ganon, no? Parang merong hindi pwedeng hindi. So, chances are, baka salesman ito or salesperson. I feel like someone also has something to say, no? Sa lipunan, it could be what? A chairman, what have you, leading a small group of people. Kagawad, what have you, no? Whether this is for SK or, yung literal sa barangay. But it doesn't always have to be politicians, ha? Nakakita lang ako kasi yung merong say. It could be, a father-like figure, no? Hindi nangangahulugang may anak na rin. A father-like figure can be, dahil ako yung kuya, no? I can also be as a father figure, no? There's something in these person that sort of like have an authority. Ang bilis kasi. So since nakukuha niya yung mga gusto niya because of the power, of the authority, no? Parang gusto niya mangyari is madaliin natin yung mga nangyayari. I think that there's also some sense of urgency. May hinahabol siya. However, yung isa naman, yung sa kabila, parang wait lang, dahan-dahanin muna natin. And I felt like intention ba ito na medyo pinapatagal kasi masyadong mabilis. So parang yung isa sinasakyan, hindi para magbiro, hindi para lokohin. I am also interested, no? I'm also interested in this situation pero ayoko yung ganito kabilis. So, I'm riding on a situation, I am observing you while we are parang having a journey, no? Kung saan man ito papunta. So, I'm not closing my door pero I'm not that wide open, no? Sa gustong mangyari. With the Two of Pentacles and the King of Wands. I feel like meron din talaga ditong paggalak, no? Ayaw kitang ma-offend, ayaw kung maisip mo na binabastos kita, ayaw ko rin maisip mo na against ako, no, dito sa nangyayari. But I feel like I need to do something to be intentionally slows down, no, the process of yung process nitong relationship natin. With the Death card and the Hangman, I feel a strong Scorpio energy in here na parang sinasabing, sandali, no? Gusto kita na parang ayoko pa. Meron yata ditong inaantay itong person na ito, kaya intentional. So parang sinasabi niya, nangihingi ako ng isang sign, no? If I think that this is more of kailangan ko ng sign. Probably I'm also on the verge of letting go. But as long as I don't see the sign, probably I'll be placing this situationship or relationship probably on hold. Pero I also can't let go, no, of what's happening between us. So medyo mahirap, no? Hindi naman nagloloko, hindi rin naman tumitibok sa dalawang tao. It's just that there's a hole and I need to, parang fill that void. Ang hirap i-explain itong ganitong feeling eh. May kulang, pero parang nandyan na, pero parang ayoko pa. Let me know sa comment section if you understand what I'm feeling. Medyo kasi pabigay na rin tayo eh. Medyo kasi bibigay na rin natin yung gusto nito with the Empress kasi we have been treated right naman with the Page of Pentacles. Siguro ang sinasabi mo lang, what's in it for me? Ito na ba talaga ang relationship na parang tatagal? Hindi na ba ako magfe-fail uli? No? somehow nakikita ko naman din ang future ko dito sa taong ito. Hopefully, siguro ang pinagdadasal dito is makakita na, no, maibigay na yung sign na hinahanap. I think Taurus is looking for a sign. And kung ito na yung tinatawag mong sign, I feel like this person deserves to win your heart naman. So let's get some cards here, like a message from the universe. The Nine of Pentacles, the Four of Cups, the Two of Cups. I feel like these three cards represent an unrequited love. Yes, we may have these checklist or ideal person in our head. Hindi man nami-meet ng taong ito ang lahat ng checklist. Pero when it comes to treating you right, as a person, as a lover, as their partner, I feel like itong taong to is makakapag-provide, no, ng emotional stability. And I feel like this person is also mature enough para panindigan. Hindi naman ako nakikita ng pagloloko dito. Ganun siya kaseryoso. So, it felt like, bakit hindi i-try, no? I feel like this person deserves, you know, yung true treatment din. Kasi they're giving. Alam mo naman yon. Alam mo naman na naibibigay nila, no? And I feel like if you're going to open your heart to this person is going to fulfill, no? Probably more than what you dreamed of when it comes to relationship, no? So, let's check the zodiac sign. Pero bago po lahat yan, gusto ko lang po sabihin sa inyo na sa kabilang channel po, Babaylan TV, doon po tayo nagla-live, no? So, pwede kayong sumali. Kung hindi nyo po maabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung hindi po kayo papatulugin ng yes or no lang, dumiretso na po kayo dun sa ating website. There is a link sa description box ng video na ito. There is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information, name, number, QR code, amount per question, no, for your reference. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted na po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. No? So let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Pisces, Taurus, Scorpio, Virgo, Cancer. I am seeing Capricorn. Kaya nasabi ko kanina, Virgo is dominant also. Aquarius is here. Sagittarius is here. Leo is here. So, yan po ang iyong reading. So, love and light to you, Taurus. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye!
You want the best of my heart, you just got